Ah, Mill! Ooh, literally. Finish, I'll come out completely drenched of poo and water. It's such a convoluted route for this waste pipe because the bath, that bathroom that we're looking at is here, and the waste is coming over there, round here, and into that stack there. But it's actually, I think, this bit of pipe here, because none of it's supported. So when they, you can hear there's water in that. So when they've put that new bathroom in next door, they've never even probably been in this void. Just bizarre. Like, the bath is here. Why didn't they just come through here with the waste and go all the way around there? And this here is backfalling. Like I say, it's not supported. And even this, look at this source there. Oh my god, yeah, look, and look at the way they've propped that soil pipe up. Look at that. So up in this loft, when oh look, as soon as I touch this, this weighs a ton, this pipe. It weighs an absolute ton because it's full up, because that pipe there is falling backwards. So I'm going to put a hole in down here. We're up against there now. What is that? MDF, innit? Bloody hell. Just had to cut through 4 layers of plasterboard here. Oh, yeah. We're bang on that bath waste. That's great. Are you in there?
Yep.
Open that bath panel up, Emil.
Yeah, I've done that.
Well done, mate. Now, if you can just loosen off, undo the pipe that's coming out of that trap, that black pipe, loosen that nut off. That's it, undo that nut, loosen that elbow, that nut on that elbow there, loosen that one, and then spin that elbow round so it's facing me, because that's how we'll get onto it. So actually that means I can cut this pipe out of our way now. I'm going to cut some of these bits of pipe out of our, cut them off. So this, Emil,
yep.
Make sure you don't forget to not use that basin, for Christ's sake.
Yep.
I'm going to cut it off now.
Yep. Have you got a handsaw? Or are you using a skill saw?
What for?
Cutting it off. What are you cutting off with?
I've got a hacksaw and a little slice here.
Oh, cool.
This is where it's bodged into this over here. Look at that. That's just going to come out of there, isn't it?
Shall I switch these caps?
We're going to have to be really careful when we take this connection off the back of the toilet pan, that we don't pull the pan connector off. I just need you in there when we do that to just hold it.
Yep.
These old clips that have been left on. Now this bath waste has got a backfall on it, so I need to be really careful that that water's not sitting in there when so I'm going to cut it. Where am I going to cut it? I'm going to cut it here. Hair and that will just be sitting in this bit. Oh. So I'll just cut through that and then lift it up so it runs out. There's a little bit on the ceiling there, but that's okay. Like that. Right, Mel. Right, so actually that bit there, that bit of pipe there now is totally redundant. What a weird way they went with it. I wonder if we want to be able to get a cap on it. It will just dry out, but push down and get the last bits of water out. Just pour it down there. Yeah. Who did that sound like?
No clue.
Jay-Z.
Is that what Jay-Z does?
I saw someone do an impression of him the other day and it was better than that, of course. Yeah. Oh yeah. God.
The goat.
Is he the goat?
No, it sounds like a goat though.
Oh yeah.
I mean, I guess some people are.
He's one of the goats, isn't he? So we're going to come along with that. We might even be able to just rotate that pipe. I am a bit worried about getting covered in poo-poos. Well, what I was thinking, oh yeah, because that's too small. I just thought to myself, could we just reuse that, just rotate that round through 90 degrees? But I think
that would save us. But you have.
That would save the planet as well, not getting new pipe. We're all about saving the planet, aren't we, Mill?
Damn right.
The big diesel van.
Yeah, I think we should. Just rotate it over a bit.
But I don't think it's long enough, is what I'm saying. That's coming off the back of that toilet in there, Mill. Can you go in there, please, with your gloves on? Don't want, because we'll soon get water on that bathroom floor if we're not careful. Why are these lofts? There's like, what is that? Someone would know. Mark Bailey would know that. if you're watching. Hello? I don't need a fuel card. I must get asked 10 times a week. You got hold of it? What is
That pipe's just like nothing. Just
what do you mean it's like nothing?
like it's just you can just pull that out and it'll be fine.
I can't. What, this?
Yeah.
How can I just pull that out? That is the toilet connection.
No, it's not.
Of course it is. What do you mean? Where's the toilet connection then?
I'm holding on to it. It's got a bend.
I know, but that's going into this bit of pipe, isn't it?
Yeah.
I want that bit of pipe to stay there is what I'm saying. I don't want to have to put a whole new bit through that wall. Jesus Christ. The things we do for love. Yeah, that's really, like that bit of pipe, can you see that moving?
Yeah, the grey bit.
Yeah, that needs to stay where it is.
Yeah, I'm holding on to it. All right.
Oh yeah?
Yeah, no, I am.
There you are. It's going to take some getting off that, I reckon. You can't stop it turning, can you?
Yeah.
Oh, this is full of poo-poos and wee-wees, this pipe. Sloshing around like an old drunkard. I'll lift that up. I wonder if did that noise get picked up on camera? There was a big gush of poos out of there.
Lovely.
Can I disconnect it at this end? Oh, shit. Literally.
You right?
I got like a pint of wee come out at the end of it. Right.
Yeah, I can't hold on to that.
You can't hold it, can you, mate? I'm going to have to pull that right out of there.
Go on then. Have you done it?
Nearly. Hang on. Right. I think that's empty. Ugh. Right. I see what you're saying in there.
Yeah.
So we need to put a new bit of pipe right through there.
Which I thought would be easy enough, and like.
I think you're right. I think that's okay, because this bit's crap anyway.
Yeah.
I'd rather replace that.
Right, shall I come in there and hope you get rid of it?
You can come in here and cut a bit for us, mate.
Okay.
And chamfer the ends of it and that. I've got wee-wee down my arm.
Yeah, I was going to say, a bit of a shitty ending, isn't it? But, you got a length you want?
I need my tape. A tape.
I'm not giving you my tape. Period.
No. I need to go home for a shower. Will you wash my back?
Yeah.
Yeah, so we need to be out in front of that.
It smells like bloody festival toilets in here.
It's awful. I've got to be out in front of that copper pipe work, so I'm not going to start moving all of that. Although it's tempting to. 150. If we come out there with it, 150. Out there? Yeah, out there, I reckon. 150 out past that. So if we're 150 out past that mill, we need a bit of pipe cut. Oh, Jesus. We need a bit of pipe. 350. 400 mill.
Okay.
400 mil, and we need we only need one end of it to be chamfered, so it might.
And what does the other one wants to be? Just like a regular end?
Yeah, the other end can just be a cut on it.
So it doesn't need a rubber in it?
No, because it's going to go. The other end's going to go to that flexi. Hate the way that cold feed's done to that toilet as well. So ugly. Hold on, mate. That's a tight hole to get that through. Is that going to go through there? Yeah, she'll go. She'll go. Made me jump. Someone's flushed the toilet downstairs, and it's because we've disconnected the soil stack up here. It makes a loud noise. That hole is only. Oh yeah, right. You got to sort of push that inlet to
Done.
that.
Like a dream that was.
Was that it?
Done.
Love you. Is that? It's in all the way, is it?
What?
We need a bit of lubricant in here. Hang on a minute. Hold that.
What, the grey pipe?
Yeah. We're just going to push the. You got it?
Yeah.
Because that chamfer, that's just going to go on there a treat, I think. Oh yeah, that's like pre-greased already, that fitting. Get my hand in and make sure that's really tight inside there. So assuming this ceiling is level, but I know you mustn't ever assume, but we've got like 310 mil to the centre of that. I'm just seeing what play we've got. 310 mil. 310 mil, oh yeah. Make sure you don't forget to not use that basin, for Christ's sake. Ah, Mil! I need a rubble sack. Feel silly?
Yeah.
Once,
just because
I
I've
hope.
shit on my hands and I just
I
want to
know. You meant to lick that off. Finish, I'll come out completely drenched of poo and water. Right, in that bag we need, yeah we do, we need, I'm just trying to work out, because we've got to get a boss in here as well. We need that, there's a boss, a solvent well boss amongst that lot. Hopefully it's only got one open side, yeah, so that's it. And that's what I brought those adapters up for as well, which are over there. This is for that basin wastelet. This is going to go beneath there in that pipe, in line there, directly in line with that basin waste, so that can come straight out and down and into it. Where's another elbow, please? We're going to come there, and then we're going to need a little bit of pipe just to line us up, because we want everything to be nice and sort of symmetrical. Yeah, we're going to look at that end, but no, Christ, there can't be any backfill when we're done. If there's some backfill once we're finished, then we're in serious trouble. Cut us a bit of pipe, Mill. We need it chamfered both ends, mate. Just eyeballing that with that. Oh, it's pooey in here. 710 mil. Beautiful, mate. That would do us, wouldn't it? So off camera, Emil is doing the technical bits for us. I'm getting all the glory. Oh, pooey pipe. So I've just replaced these fittings here, and it's all glued now. There's no rubber, so that's good. That's glued into there. The new bath waste. So Emil, what I want there, mate, is a couple of slow 1.5-inch bends. We've got like slow ones rather than tight 90s. We've got like swept bends in that bag of tricks. I'm assuming we've got them in there. Like
It's just loads of 90s.
normally got loads in there. Well, not loads, but there's normally some. So down here, I'm just gluing this. I'm gluing this boss here. We're using these slow bends. I do prefer these to like 90-degree tight bends. They just make me feel better. A 45 actually, Emil, could do me. Yeah, that could do us there. That would get us. And then we need one more of these swept doodle slugs after that. Oh, was it outside?
Yes.
Did you do a carp shirt on it?
It's so dirty that I thought it was one of the shit ones.
That's cool, at least we got it. Yeah, it could be worse, they could have taken it away. And then we'd never have known and you'd have denied all knowledge. Who's the pipe master? I'm the fire starter. Twisted fire starter. 270. Gosh, gonna be a carp shirt meal.
I'll end capping it now.
So I'm just checking my falls, mate. I'm making sure we've got enough fall on this. It's amazing how these lock in. They're not glued, they just, I don't know how it happens. I really don't. It's friction, isn't it? That keeps scaring me when that happens. Emil was dressed like Ant and Deck today, from Biker Grove. Do you remember Ant and Deck? Well, I mean, yeah. And he was finishing off the lagging because we lagged all these all the bare pipe work up here as well. I've gone a bit rogue today as well, Emil.
Nah.
Nil diamonds in the wash. Can you see me?
Yeah.
I've got a Lock Bar t-shirt on from Limerick. Made Uncle Joe buy me that. Now he's dead.
Oh,
Poor Joe.
Not the most professional, this doesn't fix.
It's fine. Whatever gets the job done, mate. That's true though. Have you seen PB Plumber when he's doing pipe lagging? Bloody hell.
It's always just nicer just to do it before.
My old manager at Rose watches these videos. Mark Bailey. I've mentioned him, haven't I? Just say yes because
A
I'm
mentor.
Pardon?
A mentor.
Yeah, certainly a mentor, mate, definitely. So we need a bit of pipe that's going to go through there under the bath, and then cut a bit off, and then we can make that connection next door. I feel like actually I probably want to make the connection under the bath and poke it through this way, don't I? Yeah, I do.
Here you are.
So this is the outcome of these waste pipes, this soil run that we've just had a look at in this loft space. It used to run over there, but it wasn't supported, so we've just tidied it all up really. We've replaced the connection onto the back of the toilet. We've come around and we've supported it on some timbers and screwed it all in, clipped it. The basin waste used to sort of float around, and now we've bossed it straight into the top of there. And we come around here, we've put a Durgo in over there on the top of the stack, and then also the bath waste which it was quite slow to drain, and that's because the bath waste was sort of convoluted all the way around here. And this is the old, we've cut it off here and we've just put a cap on it there because there was a little bit of drip of water in it, but that's redundant now. That pipe, that doesn't do anything. So we've gone through here directly onto the bath, and we've just come through with some nice slow bends, and we've glued it into a boss there on the soil stack. And we're testing it now. We're running the bath, we're running the basin, which is this one. We've put a rod 9 here for the sake of it as well, for access and maintenance. But importantly, everything's clipped, nothing's moving anywhere, it's solid. We've also lagged the pipe work. The hot and colds, we've lagged them to stop them freezing.